Hello guys and welcome to another video tutorial. So now in this video tutorial we are going to talk about backlinks. So what are backlinks? So a backlink is created when an external website's link to yours, as I already explained in the previous videos. So in short, the links on other domains that redirect users to your website. So as you can see from this example, these are different kinds of websites and these are the backlinks in this website. So when someone clicks on that link, they are directed to your website. So the more backlinks you have, the more traffic you get. Let's take an example that this backlinks give you only 10 people towards your website. So and each and every backlink gives you approximately 10 people. So let's see how many backlinks are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 into 10, that is 80. So you are getting 80 people traffic to your website with the help of these backlinks. So that is the use of backlink in order to give traffic. So let's understand what is pre-penguin scenario. So before recent update by Google Penguin algorithm, it was easy to get good rankings by getting backlinks from many websites. So people used to create few domains and few blogs of their own, and they then creating backlinks to their main domain or website for which they require to have a good ranking. But now the scenario has totally changed. Now search engines now value quality over quantity. So quality links from relevant sites or domains, that is the thing that Google mainly matters. So you just can't give you just can't create a domain and you start giving backlinks towards your site. Earlier that used to happen, but after the Penguin update this thing is not happening. So Google is seeing the quality of backlinks you are getting from the quality domains. So backlinks from high authority domain have a higher value. Means, as I already told you, that if you are getting a backlink from a .mil or .edu website, then you have more chances to rank than getting tens of thousands of backlink from .com website, .com domains or .in domains. So now let's learn more about backlinks. So backlinks help in getting better search engine results. Means it is a part of off-page SEO. So this is basically a part of off-page SEO. So if any of your page, blog or content is getting organic links from other site, so then your page or content will obviously rank higher with search engines. So your goal should be to create links to individual posts along with those leading to your homepage. So backlinks help search engine bots discover links to your site and crawl your site effectively. Now especially for a new website, is it important it is important to get backlinks, as they help in the faster discovery and indexing of your website. So basic example, I'm just trying to give you an example, as I love giving example because people learn more from examples than from just simple talking. So just to have a basic understanding, I just I'm giving you an example. I posted a video on YouTube, and below description you will find the link to my website. So when someone finds my video or information more valuable, then he will visit my website from the link below. So by that way I am getting organic traffic to my website through backlinks on other website, like through backlink from that YouTube video, from backlink from that YouTube channel. So now if people love that my website, then they are going to share on their Twitter, Twitter, Facebook and Snapchat. So they will just simply copy it, and also on Facebook Messenger. So they will start sharing it on each of these social media, and by that way I am getting backlinks from different of the social media. So in the next session we will understand more about backlinks. So please stay tuned and don't feel bored. So thank you, and that's all for today's video.